Hello everyone, we're back again, and have you been collecting the free Valentine printables that I've been putting up on my website? So this is the latest one that's gone up there, and as with all the others, you get a PNG file and you also get a PDF file, which is the one I have in my hand right now. So what can you do with this printable PDF? Well, you could use these smaller designs to make earrings with. You could use the bigger ones to make pendant, and you can also use the designs in scrapbooking or collage. And in a moment I'm going to show you how you use the PNG files. And I'm just going to quickly recap on the other 3 heart designs that I put up on my website over Christmas that are free for you to download. And with all of them you get 1 PNG file and 1 PDF in lots of different sizes. And all these designs are available to download for free over on my website www.funcraftstodoathome.com, and I will put a link to my website in the description underneath this video. And for those of you that don't know what a PNG file is used for, or what it can be used for, I'm now going to show you. So for those who don't know, PNG stands for Portable Network Graphic, and it just means that there's no background, it's a transparent background, and you can move the image around and do lots of different things with it. Now I'm showing you this in Photoshop, but in a moment I'm going to show you how to use PNGs in Canva, because Canva is easily accessible to anybody, and I know lots of you already use Canva. But I'm just showing you here, how you can resize a PNG, how you can move it around, how you can move it onto other documents. There is no background, only the image. And once you get to know PNGs, you realize how versatile they are and the number of different products you can put them on and all the different things that you can make using PNG files. You see how I'm dragging the file from one document to another and there is no background. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to Canva now on my iPad to show you how easy it is for you to use PNG files and to put the designs onto tumblers, t-shirts, tote bags, whatever you want. You can make stickers, you can make greeting cards, all sorts. I've already uploaded my heart designs into Canva, and now I am telling Canva that I want to design a tote bag. And I already have one of the designs saved in projects. So I'm going to tap on projects, tap on the design I want, and you'll see that I have added some text and a background to this heart. And you can easily do that in Canva as well. So the heart that you see is my design. That's the design that you get free on my website. And you can see here that if you wanted to buy a tote bag, once you've designed it on Canva, it's going to cost you around £20. And this is what it's going to look like. So the next thing I'm doing is designing a water bottle using one of the other hearts, and that's in my uploads. And this one is ideal for water bottles because it's long and thin, so that looks really nice on a water bottle. So for anyone who wasn't sure what PNG files do, what they're for, I hope you're a bit clearer now, and hopefully you'll start to have ideas of your own. So the next thing that I'm going to design is going to be a tumbler. It's all very intuitive. Canva is really easy to use. You just need to make sure that you've uploaded all the images that you want to use, and as I said, there's 4 of mine so far and there's a lot more to come. And here is what it looks like on the side of a tumbler. I think the tumblers cost around £27. I mean, you know, there's lots of other things that you can do with PNG files. You don't need to be making tote bags or tumblers, or I'm just showing you how people do use PNG files. Okay, so that would come printed. Canva would send that to you with the design printed on the side of the tumbler or the tote bag or the mug, whatever. So just to be clear, I don't sell these tumblers or tote bags or mugs or anything. I am just showing you how you could make these if you wanted to, okay? And there's lots of other things that you can do in Canva with PNG files, designing all sorts of things. You need to download Canva and have a really good explore and start to see what you come up with from your imagination. And yeah, that's the only reason I'm doing this. As I said, I absolutely don't sell tote bags or anything that you see me making here. It's literally just to show you how you can use these files if you want to. So if you want to make somebody a lovely Valentine's gift, then you can go ahead and do that. I'm happy for people to use my designs as one-off gifts. Wouldn't be happy for people to mass produce them, but at these prices per item, I don't think anyone is going to be doing that anyway. So yeah, they do make lovely presents. You can see here I am putting the latest design onto a t-shirt. I think I might actually get one of these for myself. It's going to cost around £20 to get a white t-shirt, a white short sleeve t-shirt, and I really love this design, so I may well get one of these myself. And yeah, you could do the same thing with the pink heart. I think this was the first one that I gave away. So here I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a sticker sheet of all the same sticker. Do you see how versatile these files are? And then once I've actually finished designing all the hearts and I've put every single one up on my website for you to download, you could then, if you wanted to, you could make an A4 sheet of all of the different hearts, all the different designs that I have given away in December and January. I may still carry on in February, I'm not really sure. I think most people would probably be finished with any Valentine gifts that they're making. They'll probably be finished by the end of January. But if anyone wants me to carry on doing these designs into February, you'll just have to let me know in the comments, because if not, I'll probably stop around the end of January. I hope everyone's been able to hear me okay. I hope the sound is okay on this. We're actually away at the moment, staying in our caravan in the middle of nowhere in the snow and of course my husband is here, and so I'm not talking too loudly because I don't want to disturb him. So I hope you can all hear me okay. It's really, really cold here. I mean, really cold. We have got good heat in the caravan, but outside the ground is frozen, and we've had a bit of a blizzard yesterday, and so yeah, it's winter in England. I think most Canadians and Americans would think that this is not much to worry about, but we're not really that used to snow. We don't always get snow in the UK, and when this snow came, we'd already gone out to get some Calagas, and this came down quickly. I mean, we were worried that we might not get back into our camp because it's down a very, very long farm track, and yeah, we were concerned that we weren't going to get back, but we did. This newest design also looks really nice on a mug. It really does look pretty. I think I might even get one of these as well, actually. So if you fancy a heart mug, then get onto Canva and design one. You could actually give this as a gift to anybody anytime. It doesn't have to be for Valentine's. I hope this has been useful to those of you who weren't sure what to do with my free designs, and in particular people who weren't sure what to do with PNG files. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And if you already have Procreate and you don't want to download Canva, you also can use Procreate to design various things with PNG files. So I'll just quickly show you that. You do have to pay for Procreate, but it isn't very much, and it's a one-off payment. You would just import your PNG file into Procreate like this. You just go into Insert Photo and scroll through and find the photo that you want and add it in, just like you see me do here. I'm not designing anything in particular here, I'm just showing you how you would import files into a document. I mean, Canva and Procreate are a much cheaper option than using Adobe Photoshop. I'm actually starting to use Canva and Procreate more and more now. I don't think I'll ever give Adobe Photoshop up completely because I am so used to using Photoshop, but it is expensive. I pay monthly for it, and yeah, I think lots of people are moving over to apps like Canva and Procreate because they are more economical. So you can see here how easy it is to just pull PNG files into a document on Procreate, and there's so much that you can do in Procreate. It's unbelievable. And if you choose to buy Procreate, and as I said, it's a one-off payment, there are loads of tutorials on YouTube that will help you learn how to use Procreate. I am still learning myself, so I don't know Procreate inside out like some people do. But again, it is quite intuitive, and really the sky is the limit when you are dealing with these transparent files that you can just move around and resize. It's brilliant. You can paint and draw and design in Procreate. It's a fantastic program. So I'm just showing you how you can add work on something like Redbubble to design various items on here. So you'll see in a moment when this is uploaded the options. Redbubble is just another website where you can go and put your designs onto various items like mugs and all sorts, bedding, t-shirts, hats, clothing, so much, stickers and magnets, mouse pads, all of this. Oh yeah, pillows and totes. I love this, the latest art design that I've done. I really love that on the pillow. I think it looks brilliant. So put in your designs or my designs, or you know, whatever designs you have. Oh yeah, the pin button, I really love this heart design on the pin badges as well. So yeah, Redbubble is another option. So once you've put the design on something and you're happy with it, you can then order it from Redbubble and they just send it to you in the post. Anyway, so that gives you an idea of all the various things that you can do with PNGs. Well, not all the things you can do, it's just some of the things that you can do. I think lots of people just don't know what PNG files do, and it took me a while when I first discovered PNG files many years ago. It did take me some time to fully appreciate the versatility of such files, but I absolutely love them now. Okay, well, I hope that has clarified things for some people who may not have known what to do with the PNGs. So go over to my website www.funcraftstodoathome.com. If you go over to my website and then go to the top bar here, you'll see this link. All my free printables are linked here, no passwords needed. So click on that and it's going to take you to this page. So scroll right down to where it says here are your free printables, and you will see all of the free printables. There are lots of adverts jammed in between them. Don't get confused by the adverts, because underneath all of my pictures you will see there are links that says get your free printables here. So that is what you're looking for, and when you click on the latest one, here's the PNG that pops up. Okay, and it's the same for all of them. There may be some that don't work, because I didn't realise until recently that when I put folders onto my Google Drive, there seemed to be a problem with people that getting the images that are in folders. So I have started to put them all up now as single, they're not folders, I put them up as files. So if you have problems, if you go on there and there's one, it will be one of my older ones, and you can't get it, please let me know in the comments and I will go in there and I will put the correct link in. Oh, one more thing, I'm not going to be making a video every time I put a new heart design up on my website, so the best thing to do is subscribe over there and then regularly check the download page to see when I add the new hearts from now until the start of February. I'm going to finish here, but thanks so much for watching to the end, and I will be back again soon with another video and more free printables. Take care, bye for now.